Hi there folks, Kent Otott here at Concordia Chevy Buick. I'm standing next to this 2023 Buick Envision. It's a front wheel drive unit, Summit white in color is what Chevy would call it. This is a nice white unit. As we do a little walk around here, we'll hop inside. Here's your gas cap here over on the passenger side. Just put the nozzle in there. Pretty easy to use. We have a manual lift gate on this unit, so up she goes. We haven't put the front license plate holder on there yet. We'll put it on there if you want it on. Here is where your spare tire is. Those seats will fold forward. Okay, now this is a preferred model, so let's push that button and unlock these doors. You got a nice mix material here of cloth and leather. Those seats will fold down so you can get more stuff there when you go shopping, and they go back up. How about that? So let's hop in. We have the side blind zone alert down here in the mirror. Of course, it's bright and you can't see it. All you can see is me and my rugged good looks. How about that, folks? Yes, I am full of myself, I know that. But as we put our foot on the brake, push that start stop button, she comes to life. Okay, it has that buckle seatbelt to shift, annoying little thing that General Motors is starting to put on vehicles. So we go over here to settings, hit vehicle, buckle to drive, and we shut that right off just like that. How about that? One of these days they'll take that off and we'll have to buckle to drive. Now, I'm all for wearing your seatbelt, okay? But I don't need a thing that tells me to buckle to drive, okay? I am 58 years old. I drive with my seatbelt on, so that is a big thing. Lane keep assist, lane departure warning, forward collision alert. There is your side blind zone. We got these nice little push buttons here. Let's throw her into reverse so we can see that backup camera. Good night, you can see for days. How about that? We have cruise control. We have Bluetooth capabilities. We got different little modes we can put the car into. Tour, snow, ice, sport mode. Yes, we want a Buick with a sport mode. Very important. We got drive. There's our parking brake. Push that P. Bam, you are in park. What kind of apps you got? Well, you got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You can hook up to your phone. We got other little things to play with, vehicle things. So we turn that buckle to drive off. And this is a great little car. So, hello again. I didn't shave this morning. I knew I was going to be making videos. I didn't know if you wanted a rugged salesman today. I'm a member of some of these car forums, and they'll have salesmen post pictures of themselves not wearing their shirts. Now, I wear my shirt when I do any photos because I just could not put up with the hundreds of thousands of love letters I would get. I know that would happen. Let's shut her off for a moment. Brett got this cleaned up. Now, this is a very nice little car. You can hold up to 5 people in it. The driver, front passenger, other passengers. $34,745. We are an MSRP store, so that means we're not going to mark up anything. We're not going to ask for some weird dealer charge other than what the state allows with dock fees. $198 dock fee. We collect sales tax. So this is price to sell. We have 3 Envisions that we're getting ready for the lot right now. This is the first one that went through the PDI. It's ready to go. So what you need to do is give me a shout here at Concordia Chevy Buick. My cell phone, 785-243-8656. Ask about this pretty little Summit white with ebony accents 2023 Buick Envision. As always, I'm going to take good care of you. Oh, the store number is 785-243-SAVE. I'm Kent Otott, and as always, we'll take good care of you.